Hey Nissan owners! If you drive a Nissan Leaf from 2018 to 2021 or a Nissan Rogue from 2017 to 2020, listen up! There's a new technical service bulletin, yep, a TSB, not a recall, about that shiny chrome trim on your steering wheel. So what's the deal? Over time, that chrome finisher on your steering wheel can really start to show its age. You might notice fine scratches from rings, fingernails, or even just regular gripping and turning. In hotter climates, the constant sun and heat can actually cause the chrome to bubble, peel, or even start to lift away from the wheel. Sometimes harsh cleaning chemicals or repeated wiping can wear down the finish, making it look dull or patchy. When the chrome starts to peel or loosen, it not only looks bad, making your interior feel cheap or worn out, but it can also feel rough or sharp to the touch. That's the part your hands are on every time you drive, so it's annoying and can even be uncomfortable. For a lot of owners, it's frustrating to see their car's interior looking shabby, especially if the rest of the vehicle is in great shape. So, what are people saying online about this issue? A lot of Nissan owners have shared their frustrations on forums and social media. Some complain about the chrome flaking off after just a year or two, while others mention the trim getting uncomfortably hot or even sharp in the summer. But there are also plenty of tips and success stories out there. Some folks recommend using vinyl wrap or plasti dip to cover up the damage, while others have posted step-by-step guides for swapping out the chrome piece themselves. A few owners even say they got the part replaced for free under warranty, while others found affordable aftermarket options that look just as good as the original. The Nissan community is definitely sharing advice and creative fixes to keep their interiors looking fresh. The good news? Nissan says you can replace just the chrome piece, not the whole steering wheel. And here's the best part. The replacement chrome finisher itself usually costs between $20 and $50. That's way cheaper than replacing the entire steering wheel, which could set you back hundreds of dollars. Here's how the pros do it. First, they remove the driver's side airbag module. Super important. Always disconnect your battery and be careful around airbags. Next, they carefully pop off the chrome finisher. There are 6 clips holding it on, so use trim tools and take your time. Now, if your car's still under cosmetic warranty, the dealer might fix this for free. If not, you can buy the chrome finisher online for about $20 to $50 and do it yourself. Just be extra safe around that airbag. Again, that's a small price compared to the cost of a whole new steering wheel. Some folks even choose to wrap the trim or go full blackout and remove it altogether. Remember, this is just a service bulletin, not a safety recall. So dealerships aren't required to do anything unless you ask. Got questions or fixed yours a cool way? Drop a comment below, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your Nissan stories. I'm always here to help you keep your ride looking sharp.